find a trail!
Is it?
Oh, we're turning again, Darren.
Turning again. No, we're not.
They're going back, they're going back. I should have been out here longer than half an hour.
We're not going back. I'm going to get straight on that.
No, because no one else will get stuck on there, you know, because you have to have a push off. And I'm not pushing you off.
I will. Go, turn us round. I'll just do it.
I'll walk back.
No, we can go back now. Let's start going
No,
back.
I'm not. No. Going back. Go straight ahead.
So what happens if they are late? They can't buy you because we've got no money, have we?
Exactly.
Timing will be faster to go. Okay.
Go.
No, Darren. Okay, go.
Bit of a rip-off route, isn't it?
Right,
It's a tenner for an hour.
We've been on here longer than half an hour.
Yeah.
We've probably been on here longer than an hour.
Yeah, that'll be an hour.
Right, turners, keep building or what?
We can go get a slate from over there.
Fine, go on the table.
We're almost there now.
No, I want to go down.
I don't want to hit the wall.
I'll walk around after and get you a slate from over there.
Where are we going?
Going the wrong way. We need to go turn.
Oh, I missed it. That was brilliant.
Oh, you idiot! Oh, yeah, you can stop now.
No! No, man, no! I am going full speed. Oh, we're going like
boys.
no.
Okay, we're getting more left there.
I'm more a fucking slate. Jump out and go.
Sorry, is there any there?
Don't stop pedaling.
Idling!
Oh, get it.
I doubt that's bread.
No, I want to get the bread. No! Alex, no, we're sinking. Alex, no.
I'm going to drown it.
Go.
Oh, bang! Lob it at me.
Get out.
What is it?
Get out.
You're doing it, Lee.
Fucking way. Oh my God. That way. Go.
It is boiling, isn't it? We had to have these stupid things on.
No, we're not far away.
Yeah.
I'm never going to get back.